My name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to show you how to add an image to an existing screen and data model in VisionX. Of course, we will need to start with an existing screen, so I will use the Data Elements 2 screen we created in a previous video. So here we have a list of customers on the left side and their details on the right. Let's say we want to add a document and/or a logo for the customer. To do that, I first click on the editing pencil in the data model element and enable data changes. Then I simply add a new field, which I will call attachments, and choose the data type file. I'll want to add another field, which I will name logo, and choose the data type image. After clicking finish, I find my two new editors ready to use. We'll add the logo field first. After dragging and dropping it into our screen, we just resize it as we wish. Then we add a button and assign appropriate icon by clicking the editing pencil before naming it Upload. However, this button currently has no function, so we will need to click on Create Action at the bottom and choose an action, in this case, Upload a file to. We need to store the file someplace, which, of course, we will do so in our new Customer's logo. After logging in, we go to the Data Elements 2 screen. If we click on a customer and then the Upload button, we can select the pertinent logo. And there it is. Thank you so much for watching.